Welcome to the ABC Grab and Go series. In this video, we're going to cover how to approach preventive maintenance on a Hool motorcoach. Not just what to check, but how to think during the process. Preventive maintenance is what keeps the coaches safe, reliable, and on the road. It's not just about completing an inspection. It's about catching issues early so they don't become a big problem in the future. Preventive maintenance is not just one inspection. It's a full process that includes inspections, service, and following the correct intervals. Because these motor coaches rely on multiple systems, having an issue on one of them can become a bigger problem. A good inspection starts before we use any tools. It begins the moment you walk towards the coach. From that point, you're already observing how it sits, how it sounds, and if anything seems off. As you go through the inspection, keep three things in mind. What do I see? How is the coach operating? And what do I know about this unit? This helps you understand not just the condition, but also what may be causing an issue. Preventive maintenance programs are structured in levels. Each level increases in depth, from basic inspection to full system evaluation. PMA is focused on identifying visible concerns. This includes inspecting tires for wear or damage, checking ride height and suspension, looking for leaks such as oil, coolant, or air, verifying lights and basic systems. At this level, the goal is simple. Identify anything that does not appear normal. PMJ focuses on addressing wear and early stage issues. This includes checking fluids, replacing filters, inspecting brakes and suspension components, evaluating the air system for leaks or moisture, checking batteries, wiring, and HVAC operation. This level helps prevent minor issues from becoming major repairs. PMF is a full inspection that verifies overall system conditions. At this level, major services like oil and filter changes are performed. Drivetrain and pneumatic systems are evaluated. Fault codes are retrieved and analyzed. A road test is completed to confirm performance. This ensures the coach is ready to return to service. Some common mistakes we see during inspections are rushing through the process, only checking what is easy to see, or ignoring small issues. Remember, small issues typically are a sign of bigger problems. At the end of the day, preventive maintenance is not what you just check. It's about how you approach it. Follow the processes, use the right information, and stay consistent. Not a single inspection keeps the coach on the road. Consistency does. If you need support, call us anytime. We're with you every mile.